In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a PDF document like this from Ready Math and turn it into this, a Google form that will grade the answers and give feedback for you. You're going to notice that I'm in split screen view. This is because it makes it really easy to take questions from over here and transfer them over to my Google form. When I'm in this view, the first thing I'm going to do is click the plus to add a question. It naturally will default to multiple choice, which is going to work well for this first question. I'm going to copy Command-C that question and bring it over here. Now I do want to add, because this bottom part has three different qualifications, I do want to add that also. To add my choices, I'm going to use the screenshot tool. With my trackpad, I can zoom in if I want. And the easy thing, again, what I want to do is I want to make this as easy as possible to bring in pictures. I'm going to use the screenshot tool. So Command-Shift-4, screenshot that area. You're going to see it down here. Click here and drag it in. You do have to do it somewhat quickly. You have option 1. You have option 2, or we can call this option A if we'd like, and then option B, or just B. Let's do that. And B, I'm going to click over here. I'm going to add the image, and now I'm going to go back to here, screenshot, drag it up in, and I'm going to repeat that process for C and D. Now I'm going to make sure that question is set at required. And I have my first question done. Let's select plus to add the next one. Again, I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. For this one, it's much more complex because there are multiple questions here inside this one question. So I'm going to use what's called a multiple choice grid. This is where I can choose row 1. And for the second column, I'm going to just have yes or no. And I'm going to make this a required question as well. For question number 3, again, I will select add question. This is an open answer, so I am going to choose a short answer. Going here, Command-C, back here, Command-V, and making it required. Now, I do want to add a picture. Just like before, adding the picture, Command-Shift-4, going back over here, browsing, or not browsing, dragging that over, and now I have my question with the picture. Let's go on to 4. Let me hit the plus, copy, paste. Now this one, it says choose all correct answers. You can use checkbox because you are now having multiple answers. I'm going to put the choose all the correct answers in the question itself. Now, I can either copy and paste these or actually type them in. Now, again, I'm going to make this one required. For my final question, again, I will select the add question. I'm going to copy and paste it in. For this question, I am going to add an image. This image is going to have all of this information for the students to see. Click on image and just drag it in there. So now in my rows, I'm going to say A, B, C, D, and E. My columns are simply going to be has all attributes and does not have all attributes. Get rid of that extra one, and finally make this require a response in each row. So now our quiz is set up, so let's look at how we can actually get it graded for us.